There are products that improve how you watch entertainment, and then there are products that transform the entire vibe of your space. This one is aiming for transformation. A laser-powered ultra-short throw 4K smart projector designed to take over the role of your TV. It wants to be the centerpiece of movie nights, game days, weekend streaming sessions, and every moment in between. This is a device that says your wall deserves to become a cinematic canvas. The BenQ V7050i pushes out 4K resolution with over 8 million crisp pixels. The picture feels like it's been sculpted with precision. Textures look lifelike, and those tiny visual details that usually hide inside shadows finally appear thanks to HDR-PRO with HDR10 and HLG support. Everything becomes more dynamic, more dramatic, more real. Brightness clocks in at 2500 ANSI lumens, and that's the kind that carries confidence into daylight. You don't have to create a cave to enjoy a clear and vivid picture. Color vibrancy lives strongly on this laser engine. Scenes glow with richness and saturation that feels painterly and premium. Ultra-short throw projection is where convenience becomes king. Instead of needing distance, it works from extreme closeness. A few inches from the wall, and suddenly you have a masterpiece bigger than most TVs. It can deliver up to a theater-scale viewing experience without bulky mounts or rearranging furniture. Just place it, plug it, and the wall becomes the hero. Built-in Android TV means entertainment arrives preloaded. Thousands of apps ready to open, search, stream, watch, repeat. And if you've got content on your phone or tablet, wireless casting solves that instantly without extra cables. Connectivity continues with HDMI ports, ARC support, and SPDIF to elevate the audio with your favorite sound system. Internal audio is fine, but when you pair it with booming speakers, the immersion multiplies. Design matters because this thing will live in your room. It brings a sleek modern aesthetic with sharp edges and a cover that slides open when the projector wakes up and closes back when resting. Dust stays out. Style stays in. It feels like a high-end tech product that belongs next to premium decor, not hidden away. Laser tech is known for long life. No bulb changes. No brightness loss nightmares after a short period. This keeps performance steady over years of viewing. Motion stays smooth with fast sequences handled cleanly, which helps keep sports and action movies enjoyable and sharp. All this together makes the BenQ V7050i a huge screen experience without the giant hardware struggle. It's for people who want more than a rectangle hanging on the wall. It's for anyone dreaming of home cinema vibes without turning their house into a tech lab. This isn't just about watching content. It is about expanding the entertainment horizon, scaling up excitement, turning any day into a theater moment. If you're chasing a living room upgrade that impresses friends and spoils you with giant visuals, this is seriously worth a look. Hi guys, it is me. If you want to buy this BenQ V7050i 4K laser smart TV projector ultra short throw, then please visit the link in the description.